So today's video is going to be talking about the decals, but I wanted to start the video off since these two are side by side. Both trucks rocking the new tires. Larry, of course, rocking the Crosswind MTs. A lot of people asking where I got those from. I actually got them from Amazon. I just looked. The place that I specifically bought them from is currently sold out, but you can kind of stay on top, watch that, you know, check it once a day or something, and they'll pop up. They came in like 3 days. Same truck, wasn't all over the country. Trail Boss rocking the new Nitto Recon Grappler AT. It was actually super cool to post. I posted obviously an early video yesterday and was the first person that's partnered with Nitto to post about these tires. The second person I saw was Richard Rawlings, which is just, that was really cool. Still really enjoying these tires. A lot of y'all really enjoyed that video. And overall, just been an absolute great experience with the Nittos. Since it's raining, we're actually gonna hop over there to Earl. So of course my GoPro's dead, so we're gonna just have to film this on my iPhone. But anyways, the decals. So I wanted to come on here and talk to y'all really quick. So for one, some of y'all did not send your addresses with the payment, so I'm just gonna refund that. Two, I'm gonna change it to just cash out because PayPal's taking a cut of it, so then that's messing up their profit margin to actually make these and ship them to y'all and actually still make some money on it. So obviously me and Lauren are gonna do this for y'all before we ship them out, but it's probably gonna be a good idea to do it once you get it. Just take a credit card or something and just smooth this out, because we want the sticker to be stuck to the clear. So once you find your corner freed up, I like to just roll the white off and even set it down, even though I don't really want to do it here because it's freaking dirty. Just kind of roll it back. Make sure nothing peels up. If it does, then just ease it back down, press it like that right there. I'm showing y'all this because I want y'all to do it right. The middle of that's folded up, so just lay it back down, push on it. There we go. Roll it off. That's trying to peel a little bit. Push on that. There we go. And voila. The sticker is off. I just want y'all to keep an eyeball on it because it might try to peel one with you, but if you're careful and do it like that, you can have no issues. So then just line it up on your window. Go ahead and clean your window. But line it up. Truck's a little uneven right now, so this is probably not the best place to put it, but that looks good to me. So then take your finger or take your credit card, smooth it down, nice and good. And then just the same thing. Right. Just like kind of roll it straight down. Nice and easy, no reason to rush it. We're just gonna finish the video off here, leave Earl out here to do a nature's pressure wash because it is filthy. Birds absolutely love to crap all over Earl for some reason. Don't know why. But decal on there. Looking right. Earl looking right. We got to get one on Larry because Larry's still rocking the custom offset star over there, which I still love custom offset. But since we got our own decal, that's what we got to do. So Trail Boss has already got it on there. Got to get one on Larry. Earl is rocking it now. So just follow those steps. Take your time. Press it down. Just be easy, do what I showed you just now, and you shouldn't have any issues. I wanted to make this video dedicated to y'all so that you get them on properly and don't have any issues. If anything lifts or anything, just press it back down exactly like I just showed y'all. Get them on there. We're going to be doing, we're testing out. This is initial stages, so maybe we'll keep this design. Don't know. We're going to be changing up some of the materials and just learning as we go. But huge shout out to everyone that did buy them. Just follow my steps so you get them on properly. And then send them in to me on Instagram and I'll share them on my story, tag y'all. I think it'd be really cool. For everyone that keeps asking, like, what does lmfscrew mean? Well, there's technically an original meaning and the meaning that I've been going off a couple years. I said at 100K, I'd expose myself on where I came up with it originally, which I still will do. And we're actually not crazy far away from 100K, which is mind blowing. But as of the last couple years, it's lmfscrew. Loud, modified, fast, apostrophe S, crew. So that's like what y'all are. Y'all are LMF's crew. Make sense? LMF's crew. It's not lmfscrew. It's lmfscrew. And so that's for you guys that are out here rocking with me, watching every video, commenting, enjoying, like being positive. Just that's what it is. It's lmfscrew. So hopefully that explains it to y'all, because some of y'all were asking, like, I want to buy a decal, but I don't know what it means. I don't want to buy something I don't know what it means. So that's the brief thing. At 100K, I'll expose myself on the original, like, 10-year-old. Wow, that voice crack, though. The original old meaning of it, which is nothing bad or crazy or anything. It's just funny because I came up with it when I was a young and dumb teenager. So, yeah. Anyways, just a huge shout out to y'all that are supportive on the channel, watching the videos, commenting. I see y'all that leave good comments, like every video. I see your name, I see your profile pic, I recognize y'all, and I'm like, hey, that guy has been commenting every single video all the time. And it's awesome, especially recently since the Trail Boss messed up. There's like almost 300,000 people saw that video where it messed up. A lot of people hate, a lot of people giving wild, crazy opinions, but it doesn't get me down. It's beneficial in the YouTube world to have people talking good or bad. So I'm just taking it like a champ. Just, hey, you want to say something bad, go with it. It ain't gonna bother me. But I do see all the positive comments that y'all continuously leave on each video. Doesn't matter if it's about Earl, Larry, or the Trail Boss. Doesn't matter what I post. I see y'all in the comments. Y'all are true supporters. And I genuinely appreciate it. So I just wanted to come on here and express that to y'all. So anyways, it's pouring down rain. I got to go to work. I got to find Dally. She's been out here chasing squirrels. Oh, there she is. That's going to be about it for this video, guys. Take your time. Be careful. Get your decals on correctly. Send them into Instagram. I will share them and tag you and all that good stuff. And it's just awesome. I really appreciate it. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Awesome videos coming. Me and Lauren have got a couple bangers coming out that are freaking awesome with the Trail Boss. People talking about, oh, it blew up because I beat on it. Well, all right, we're going to test that theory, all right? You know what? They shouldn't have gave me the whole gas pedal if that's what tears it up. So anyways, y'all look forward to that. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one. Sitting here editing this video, and I forgot to mention we're going to be shipping out the first batch of decals today, second batch tomorrow, and then it just depends on what you are on the list, whether or not it might be another week before yours comes in. If you're one of the first people to order, a day or two after this video, you should get your decals in. If you're higher up on the list or you order recently and videos coming up, it probably is going to be next weekend before we can cut any more. So just please be patient. We will get them to you as soon as we possibly can. Thank you for ordering.